Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. Today we're looking for Solana maybe in the next coming few days to drop down to $10. Now this is a technical target that I've been giving you for the past 2 days actually. So all you did is once again recap is to come down here, make a pen and break out of the pen, and you're looking for the technical target to go to $10. And you see this smaller patterns here, they teach you lessons for the bigger pattern. So if you're going to do something like this, come down, break out and go to $10, it's not different than me telling you that you came down, you made a flag here, and you're looking to pop out of the flag and come down to $6, and then eventually go to $4 regarding that weekly weekly head and shoulder technical target. So it's coming. It's pretty much how I'm looking at the market right now. I even told you about the pump back up to like retest $15 when we were dropping out of here. Like go down a little bit, make a little bit of a small pump back to retest the previous support level and turning it into resistance and get rejected. And everything is working just so much right to the point. Like everything that I was thinking about is pretty much working the way that I was thinking about it's going to happen. So be careful. $10 coming in maybe in the next 4 or 5 days. I don't know about the time frame, but it's a technical target. $6 is a technical target. $4 is a technical target. And then potentially we start accumulation, but it will be bad if you start to see Solana doing something crappy like that and go to $1 and lose the dollar and try to move even lower. Then I don't know where it's going to go. Completely, it's going to be destroyed, by the way. And that's it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.